We are pleased to show you the 2026 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.